Hi everyone, good day. And how are you feeling and doing today? Okay, today I want to show you how you can participate in this airdrop and make some cool money for yourself. So I'm talking about Marginly. Marginly is a margin trading platform that can go up to 20x long or short on Uniswap or other Dexs. So they are actually doing a trading contest right now. You don't really need to use money to participate. You just need to participate on the testnet. They are on the testnet mode now, so you don't really need to spend your real money to participate. So they are doing this trading contest. Is actually the second wave of this trading contest, and it's ending on September 14th. So please try and use the link in the description below and register, and don't miss out on this airdrop. A snapshot will be taken on the September 14th. So go ahead and try to participate in this. Make sure you don't miss out. Use the link in the description below and get started. Okay, I will show you step by step on how you can participate in this program or airdrop. The first thing to do is to use the description below to get started. Then add ZK Sync Era testnet to your MetaMask or any other wallet you are using. You do that by going to chainlist.org. There are many other ways you can actually add the ZK Sync testnet to your wallet, but I prefer using Chainlist because it saves me stress. So go to chainlist.org and type ZK Sync testnet and add it to your MetaMask. Once that is done, let's get our file set. So you can get our file set by going to ZK-Sync file set. I'll leave the link to this file set in the description below, but I prefer using Discord. You can actually get this file set on the Discord. It's very easier to use via Discord. So if you want to do that via Discord, I'll also leave the link to the Discord in the description below also. So if you want to get your file sets via Discord, all you need to do is to copy your address, your wallet address, and go to file set section on the in the Discord and type /get, then space, then add your wallet address and click enter. Once you do that, you will get your USDC, virtual USDC in your wallet, and you will also get some ETH in your wallet. So after that is done, then go back to the Marginly site and start swapping. So our trading. So first of all, let's swap our USDC to FWETH. So we'll swap it. Maybe we'll do like 100 USDC, any amount. Let's swap it to FWETH. We'll swap it, and also once that is done, okay, let's open some longs or short trade so we can do some margin trading. Okay, start trading. So you can experiment with different leverages. So you trade up and down, up and down. So once you have done some trading, and to be eligible for this airdrop, make sure you claim the oats NFT on the top right of the site. So click on that oat NFT and claim it. It will take you to Galaxy where you can perform some requirements. Once you have completed some small and simple tasks, you claim your oat NFT. Make sure you claim this oat NFT on or before the 14th of September, before the snapshot, because if you did not claim this oat NFT, you cannot be part of this airdrop, because I think they use this NFT to checkmate bots and so on, just for security reasons according to them. So make sure you claim this oat NFT. Once you've claimed it, you can continue trading, just trade back and forth, back and forth. It actually qualifies you to be part of the contest. Once you start trading, you're already part of the contest. So once that is done, you can also explore other activities on the Galaxy. So don't miss out on the incentive campaigns. All you just need to do is to complete some tasks and claim some NFTs and some incentives, and also earn loyal points. You can also provide liquidity and increase your activities overall on the platform. Just play around and get yourself eligible. Especially make sure you mint the old NFT before 14th of September. If not, you will not be qualified. Yeah, thank you for watching this video, and just like and subscribe to my channel to continue bringing more content to you. Peace out.